Okay, guys, because in class we ran out of time, I said that I was going to make a video on how to do numbers 1 and 4. So in this one, we have the ratio of the number of people who use smartphone to the number of people who own flip phones is 4 to 3. So that means if I have my original ratio of 4 to 3, my 4 is going to be talking about my smartphones. Smartphones. I'm just going to write smart. And our 3 is going to be talking about our flip phones. Awesome. So in this, we have our original ratio of 4 to 3. And then if 500 more people, remember, our main word in this is more. Is more. So more is very important because that's going to change what I need to find. So when I see more in there, I need to create a ratio of something to my more. So a ratio of something to my more. Let's choose, we can either choose smartphone or flip phone. Let's choose our flip phone to our more. So I find my more by, in my original ratio, how many more smartphones are there than flip phones? So there is going to be one more smartphone. So that means that my ratio is going to be 1 to however many flip phones I originally have, which is 3. So that's my new ratio that I'm going to be talking about and comparing to my 500. So now I can go in and use the second part. So I got my 500 more people own smartphones. So that means in my new equivalent ratio that I'm going to be creating now, my new equivalent ratio, now I'm stepping out of my environment of having 4 smartphones, 3 flip phones, and I'm going into a new kind of like realm where now I'm going to have 500 more people. So this more over here is going to be 500. And then now I'm just going to look for how many flip do I need. So if I have 1, how do I get from 1 to 500? That's going to be multiplied times 500. And then how do I go from 3 to that blank? I also need to multiply times 500. So 3 times 500 is 1500. Awesome. So that means that over here I got 1500 over here. And then for smartphones, I can just take my more. It says there's 500 more smartphones. So I just take my flip phones and add 500 to get my smartphones, which is going to be 2000. Awesome. So that is part 1.